My friend from Paris managed to lose 20 kilos in 35 days thanks to this. Is awesome. At present there are multiple methods that help us to detoxify our body. However, after we usually eat some junk food, this accumulates in our body, accumulating fat and toxins that can be harmful to our health. For this reason it is important from time to time to detoxify it. In addition, it is necessary to know each of the practices that help us to maintain a healthy body, but there is a low-fat and calorie diet that is developed in order for our body to eliminate toxins. Remember, when you start this diet, use organic and natural ingredients, since they are but healthier, and you will achieve greater efficiency when doing it. Detoxifying diet with natural ingredients. Breakfast, rich in fiber, phosphorus, protein and sorbitol. You need 1/4 cup of rice milk or almonds, 1/3 cup chopped prunes, 1/2 cup quinoa, 1 teaspoon of linseed oil, 1 cup of water, 1 teaspoon grated ginger, 1 pinch of nutmeg. Put the water in a pot and add the ginger, walnut and quinoa, heat to simmer and mix until boiling. Then, cover the pot and cook for 10 minutes. Add the plums and milk after the 10 minutes have passed and wait another 5 minutes to add the flaxseed and be able to consume. Lunch, fruit smoothie to eliminate anxiety and cravings. You need 1/2 cup pure almond milk, sugar-free, 1 teaspoon chia seeds or linseed, 1/4 of banana. Place all ingredients in the blender and blend until smooth and rich. Dinner, vegetable soup. You need 2 chopped onions, preferably red, 2 stalks of chopped celery, 4 garlic cloves, chopped, 1/4 chopped cabbage, 1/2 chopped fennel, 8 sprigs of chopped parsley, 2 liters of water. In a pot, put all the ingredients without parsley, then cook until the vegetables soften, for almost an hour. After that time you can serve and use the parsley to garnish. It is recommended to make some snacks between meals, so do not suffer with the appetite. You can use vegan snacks, a drink of cabbage and pineapple or grenadine with